Tesla vehicles are widely known for their futuristic design, electric performance, and minimalist interiors. But what many owners don't realize is that beneath the clean touchscreen interface lies a deep ecosystem of hidden technologies, advanced driving functions, and intelligent systems that can dramatically improve comfort, safety, and everyday usability. Tesla cars are not just electric vehicles. They are rolling computers, constantly updated, evolving over time, and capable of far more than most drivers ever discover on their own. In this episode, we explore Tesla's hidden and underused technologies, explaining not only what they do, but when and how to use them in real driving situations. Before we go deeper, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to discover hidden technologies, smart features, and advanced functions across all major car brands. And stay with us until the very end of this video, where we'll reveal exclusive bonus Tesla features that even experienced owners often overlook. Tesla's philosophy is built around software-first design. Unlike traditional vehicles, many Tesla features are controlled, adjusted, or unlocked through software updates. This means your car today may be more capable than it was when you bought it, without any physical modifications. One of the most misunderstood Tesla systems is Autopilot. Many drivers assume it is either fully autonomous or barely useful, but the truth lies in between. Standard Autopilot includes adaptive cruise control and lane keeping, but its real value emerges when used strategically. On long highway drives, Autopilot reduces fatigue by maintaining speed, distance, and lane position with remarkable smoothness. However, it performs best when the driver understands its limits. Clear lane markings, predictable traffic, and attentive supervision are essential. Using Autopilot correctly can significantly reduce mental load without sacrificing control. Closely related is traffic-aware cruise control, which many owners activate without adjusting its follow distance settings. Tesla allows fine control over how closely the car follows others. Increasing the distance in dense traffic improves passenger comfort and reduces aggressive braking. In wet or low visibility conditions, adjusting this setting can dramatically improve safety. Another powerful but often ignored function is regenerative braking customization. Tesla's regenerative braking is strong by default, but many drivers never adapt their driving style to fully benefit from it. Learning to modulate the accelerator smoothly allows near one-pedal driving, reducing brake wear and increasing energy efficiency. In urban environments, this feature not only improves efficiency, but also creates a calmer, more controlled driving experience. Tesla's Energy app is another hidden gem. Most owners glance at battery percentage and move on, but the Energy app provides real-time consumption analysis, route-based predictions, and efficiency trends. When used properly, it helps drivers understand how speed, elevation, weather, and driving habits affect range. This is especially valuable on long trips, where adjusting speed slightly can mean the difference between charging stops. Inside the cabin, Tesla's climate system goes far beyond basic heating and cooling. Cabin overheat protection automatically prevents the interior from reaching extreme temperatures, protecting electronics and improving comfort when returning to the vehicle. While often associated with pets, this feature also preserves interior materials over time. Drivers can choose whether the system uses air conditioning or just ventilation, balancing comfort and energy usage. Tesla's dog mode and camp mode are more than novelty features. Dog mode maintains a stable cabin temperature while displaying a clear message on the screen, reassuring passers-by. Camp mode transforms the car into a climate-controlled living space, ideal for rest breaks, remote work, or overnight stays. Combined with Tesla's quiet electric operation, these modes redefine what a car interior can be used for. Another underutilized system is driver profile customization. Tesla allows multiple profiles that store seat position, mirror angles, steering wheel placement, climate preferences, and even driving behavior. For households with multiple drivers, properly configuring profiles ensures instant comfort and consistency without manual adjustments every time. Tesla's safety and security features are among its most advanced aspects. Sentry mode, for example, is often enabled but poorly understood. It uses external cameras to monitor surroundings and record potential threats. What many drivers don't realize is that Sentry mode can be customized to reduce energy consumption and unnecessary alerts. Used wisely, it provides peace of mind without excessive battery drain. Equally important is Dashcam mode, which continuously records driving footage. This system can be invaluable in accidents or disputes, yet many owners forget to install or maintain the required USB storage properly. Ensuring the dashcam is always active and correctly configured turns your Tesla into a reliable digital witness on the road. Tesla's software updates quietly introduce new features that many drivers never explore. Updates may include changes to braking behavior, steering response, user interface shortcuts, or entirely new capabilities. Regularly reviewing release notes and experimenting with new options ensures you benefit from improvements you already own. The touchscreen itself hides numerous shortcuts. For example, pressing and holding certain icons reveals deeper settings. Swipe gestures can quickly access commonly used functions, reducing distraction while driving. Voice commands, when learned properly, allow hands-free control over navigation, climate, and media, improving safety and convenience. Navigation in Tesla vehicles is tightly integrated with battery management. Unlike traditional GPS systems, Tesla's navigation considers charging stations, elevation, traffic, and real-time consumption. Trusting Tesla's route planning and following its speed and charging recommendations can significantly reduce travel anxiety, especially on long journeys. Tesla's charging settings also deserve attention. Many owners charge to 100% daily without realizing that limiting charge levels can improve battery longevity. Tesla provides scheduling and limit controls that, when used correctly, preserve battery health while ensuring sufficient range for daily needs. Now, as promised, let's move to the exclusive bonus features that most Tesla owners either ignore or never discover. One hidden bonus is acceleration and steering modes. Tesla allows drivers to choose between chill, standard, or sport acceleration depending on the model. Using chill mode in city driving improves efficiency and passenger comfort, while switching modes instantly transforms the driving character when needed. Another overlooked feature is automatic mirror folding by location. Tesla can remember specific locations and automatically fold mirrors when entering tight spaces like garages. This small feature can prevent costly damage when used properly. Tesla also includes smart summon and summon features, which many drivers try once and abandon. While these features have limitations, using them in controlled environments such as empty parking lots can be genuinely practical for tight spaces or loading situations. Finally, Tesla's Easter eggs and hidden visualizations are more than entertainment. They demonstrate the car's processing capabilities and provide insight into how the vehicle perceives its environment, reinforcing driver understanding of Tesla's sensor systems. Tesla vehicles reward curiosity. The more time you spend learning how and when to use these systems, the more capable your car becomes. These features are already built into your vehicle, waiting to be used. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Tesla's hidden technologies, make sure you're subscribed and check out our other episodes covering Audi, BMW, Mercedes, and more. Every modern car hides advanced features. Most owners simply never learn how to unlock them. And in the next episode, we'll reveal even more technologies that redefine how you experience driving.